one man sin entered into the world, and death by sin, and so death passed upon all men, for that all have sinned. Romans 5:12. Wherefore, as by one man sin